Hi, I'm going to make a pattern using PatternMaker 7.5. So I'm going to open a blank drawing area, click OK, close for the tips. I'm enlarging the screen. Now I want to make a new one, so I'm going to over here where there's a little bodice symbol, macro, if I hover my mouse over it, I'll left click that. I select the leaner. I double clicked, or you can click open. What will I do? A raglan, and I think I'll do a t-shirt. So open that. Raglan shirt and t-shirt. Open shirt or t-shirt. I'll choose t-shirt. Next, a busties. I'm going to choose maximum. Next, do I want it dartless or do I want a dart? So it's a t-shirt with a dart. Why not? Next, fitted sleeve or shirt sleeve. If it's a t-shirt, I might do a fitted sleeve. Next, long sleeves or short? I'll do long. Next. Now I did my measurements yesterday, so they're on here. So I choose that and open. Now my shirt, do I want it long below the waist? I'm going to choose 50. I can always shorten it. And I always leave a seam allowance for myself for 1.5, just in case I make a mistake. Okay. This is the t-shirt pattern. It's got a hood by the looks. This must be the back. This must be the front. It looks like it has a fitted sleeve and an unfitted sleeve. Or is that? Oh, it's the front and back of the sleeve. Okay. Now it's spread out all over the place. That will use a lot of paper. Let's have a look. We'll go up to View, Page Grid. I'm using A4 page because that's what our printers in Australia have. And look how it's spread out everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 pieces of paper. We can check, go to print, click that, and it shows you the print pages. We can make it a lot less than that. So I'm going to cancel, print. Now I want to move some of these around. I can move things left and right, up and down, and I can also rotate things. The sleeves take up a lot of space on an angle, so I can rotate them. Over here on the left is a hand symbol. When I hover the mouse over it, it says move. So we'll click move. It's still on snap off up the top. So now to move, what will I move first? Maybe we'll move or rotate. Let's rotate this sleeve. So I left click to select it and right click, which brings up a little menu. I choose done selecting. Now I want to rotate it. Well, I can't. I think I've selected move before, didn't I? Yes. Let's move it over just a bit there. Stop. Okay, now we come back over here. The other menus come back. I'm going to select rotate object and left click to select, right click, done selecting. Now I'm going to click outside the box and hopefully I can rotate. There we are. Not exactly where I want it to be, but it's okay. Oh, maybe I can move it. Okay, I'm going to left click. Now our menu has come back again over here. I'm going to move this closer. So I'm going to click the little hand move. Notice a different menu comes up. Left click the sleeve to select it. Right click to say I've finished selecting or done selecting. Now I'm going to click outside it and move it. It's not bad. I left click again to finish it. Now this sleeve over here, we want to rotate that as well. Notice our normal menu's back. Let's click rotate. It's a little arrow in a circle. When I hover, it says rotate object. So I'll click that. And I'll come over here, left click to select, right click, whoops, what's wrong, finished, done selecting. Now I'm rotating it, so I'll click inside it and see what happens. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh yes it does. There we go. And I'll keep it on a vertical. So I'm going to left click to finish that. Now I want to move it. We have our normal menu back. So I'm going to click the little hand which says move. Right click, left click, done selecting. Click outside and move it over. Can I do it in here? Oh, not quite, but almost. Oh, yes, I think we are inside there. So it could have been out here, but let's do it in here. That's even better. Okay, left click and it's finished. So now we're using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of paper across instead of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So we've saved 20 pieces of paper. Excellent. Now I want to save that. So I'll go File, Save As, and I'm going to put Linda. What is it? A t-shirt. T-shirt. And the date is t-shirt with darts. Let's put darts. Oh, let's just put t-shirt. And the date, my date anyway, I do this because I know what size I am then. And then save. Now if I want to check the printing, I go up left here. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. No, it's 6. Sorry, I beg your pardon. 6 by 5. And then we just go print. Okay, and close that down. Done. Thank you. Goodbye.